Hello everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Welcome to the free section video. In this series, I am going to define you how to fill the form of various colleges. In this video, I am going to define you about the Anglo-Eastern forms, which is out as of now for DNS batch for Feb 2024. So be with this series and get updated which forms are out, which forms are not out, what you have to do, which forms you have to fill, how to fill, which data you need for that. Okay. Before that, if you want to know about the eligibility criteria of Anglo-Eastern, so go through this section only. There Pranit sir already covered about Anglo-Eastern shipping company eligibility criteria for DNS, for BTech, BSc, for IMUCET. But before that, you have to pass IMUCET in 2023 itself in June, and on 10th June exam was happened, and most probably on 19th or 20th results also out. So if you have clear your IMUCET exam and secured minimum 3000 rank, then you are eligible for this. Or otherwise, if you have already cleared IMUCET with any rank, you can try for this also. By luck only, but there is a less chance. And if you are eligible, then only fill the form, then go through this video. Otherwise, there is no meaning. Okay. For going through this video, you have to open your browser. That for me it is Google. So you have to type EMA, that is Anglo-Eastern Maritime Academy. So let's move ahead. So after typing EMA, all the things came. Here you can find EMA, Best Merchant Navy College in India. First link itself, you have to click on that. Then after their official website will appear here on the screen. So go through the screen and get updated. So application for one pop-up box is here, which is moving here from there. They have written application for DNS 29, that is Feb 2024 batch is open now. Kindly click here. So you have to click on that. Then after you will get this form. Before that, they have written something that who we are, key terms, email, what is the purpose of privacy notice. So it is privacy notice of Anglo-Eastern for prospective employees. Okay. So how will we use your personal data? They have mentioned all the things. If you want to read, you can read. It is good for you to know. But if you want to skip, you can skip it. So click on agree button. Then after EMA application form will appear. So first you have to give your name. I am giving XYZ, but you have to give your correct name. 3201, that is CAPTCHA. Okay. Click on submit button. Then after you will get to know your form is open now after giving your name and filling CAPTCHA. So first box they have mentioned Aadhaar details. So you have to give your Aadhaar number. When you will give your Aadhaar number, correct Aadhaar number, then click on get record. Everything will get filled by own. You have to choose file. So before filling this form, point to be noted. Note this point. You have to keep your Aadhaar in one folder and your passport size photo in one folder, and maximum size should be 500 KB only. So give your Aadhaar number, and photo should be passport size and should have white background. It will look good. Okay. So be gentleman and keep your photo in one folder and along with your Aadhaar card also. Just scan it and keep it in one folder at desktop. It is easy to find at the filling times of filling form. Then give your Aadhaar number. Upload your Aadhaar number from here. Then after select category, general, OBC, SC, ST, others, whatever you are, just select and check your eligibility. Then after you have to give your personal details. You have to write your first name. If middle name is there, then write. Otherwise, move ahead. You have to give your surname. If you don't have surname, then there is a issue for filling form. Not only for filling form, because they have given asterisk mark also here. If you don't have surname, just go and change your certificates, whatever you want to do, but please come with surname, because without that you are not able to generate your CDC. If you generated also, CDC generated also, then there is a lots of problem in terms of job, in terms of many things. Anglo is a suitable company and they are providing sponsorship by them only. So they have given surname as a asterisk mark. So you have to give your surname anyway. If you don't have surname, you are not eligible for Anglo-Eastern. So then move ahead. Gender, if you are female, female, and male, male. you know that place of birth according to your passport. CET application number, which CET? IMUCET. So you have to give your application number, means your admit card number. Then after CET rank, what you uh, acquired in IMUCET exam, which out on 20th June, I think so. Or exam happened on 10th. That's definitely confirmed. And the results came after 10 days only. So it might be on 20th result came of IMUCET. What the rank acquired you acquired in that exam, you have to give your rank. Then after father's name, if your father's agriculture, not agri, then after father's occupation, not agriculture, business, defense services, engineering, whatever you can select here. Your mother's name, mother's occupation. Your family annual income, if less than 3 lakh, 3 to 10 lakh, select as per your preference, you know better. Then after upload your passport size photo. So just upload it, but make sure it should be of less than 500 KB. Then after you have to write your address, your state, just as per your passport only. Then after pin code, your city, town, okay. Then move ahead. It's the brother sister details. You have to give your brother sister details. If more than one, you can click on add. You have to give your qualification. Then after you have to give your contact details like mobile number, telephone. There is no need of telephone number because asterisk mark is not there. If not there, if you want to give also, it's okay. If you don't want to give, that's also okay. Then after father's mobile number, you have to give here. Your mother's mobile number, if you want to give. Otherwise, no asterisk mark. So email address. So you have to give your email address correct only, because all the things related to your exam venue, exam location, exam time, what is your admit card, whatever, all the things they will send through email address only. Nobody will come from Anglo-Eastern to your home. Yeah, today is your exam. Not like that. So they will send a mail. So on the email address, whatever you given in your application form, on that only they will send the mail. So let's move ahead. Then after they are asking academic qualification. So as of now, we know if you have passed 12th with PCM and having how much percentage, comment in the comment box please, how much percentage needed for Anglo-Eastern. And if you have done BSc in physics should be one subject, it's compulsory according to IMUCET and IMU. And BE BTech from any stream, because why any stream? Because you having PCM above, that's why you are able to take BE BTech, right? So then after, if you have passed 12, then you have to click on 12. If you have completed your BTech BSc, so you have to click on BTech BSc. But please go through eligibility criteria video. We have already mentioned in this section only. Then after, move ahead. If you have passed 12, so you have to give your school name of 10, because if you have passed 12 means 10 also passed. Then after, click on board, different boards mentioned here, CBSE, ICSE, many things. Yeah, according to you, select it. Passing year, your English percentage, it should be more than, I don't know. You have to go through eligibility criteria and find that. Then after CGPA or percentage, if percentile is, then click on percentile. If it's CGPA they have given. For me, I passed in 2016 itself, so that time CGPA is going there. CGPA is happening there in CBSE board. For me it is CGPA, but if you having percentile, as of now percentile is going, so percentile option you have to select. Then after 12, if you are appearing or awaiting results, so you have to click here. Then you have to select your board, you have to give your this passing year, because if you have selected appearing awaiting results, so this box is not opening, no CGPA, nothing is coming, nothing will appear here. But if you have passed, so you have to give your school name, your board, you have to give your year of passing. Then after English percentage, if CGPA, CGPA, otherwise percentile means percentile. You have to give your physics number, chemistry, whatever you acquired out of 100. Then after maths, and then they will automatically they will calculate your PCM percentage. If it is more than eligibility criteria, what they have already registered at, you should have this much of minimum percentage. So if it is passing that, then you are eligible to move ahead. So you have to give your height in centimeter, weight in this. BMI should be 18 to 25. It should be in between this only. Holding passport, you should have holding passport. You have to click on yes. Otherwise, you have to apply it. Don't go for no option. Merchant Navy Decoded is not telling go through no option. Then after you have to give your passport, specify when you will get your passport. They have mentioned here. Okay, extracurricular activity, if you have taken part in anything like NCC or many things, if you have done in your school time, you can mention here, and you can give your hobbies also. If you don't want to give, there is no issue because asterisk mark is not there. Have you applied before? Have you given this exam earlier? Yes. If you have given, then click yes. If no, means no. How do you get to know about Anglo-Eastern Ship Management? Please specify details. Yeah, please specify others and give our name merchantnavydecoded.com if you got from us. If you have get from others, so you can click on career presentation, internet, print media, or family, relatives, friends, anyone. You can click here. Have you paid any or been asked to pay fee for recruitment selection other than the online test? Please give yes if give details. What is this? So you have to think about this. So Anglo-Eastern is telling don't give any money to anyone. No reference is working here. They have mentioned clearly here. If yes, if you have given, if somebody has asked, okay, give me money, I'll give you admission. Give me money, I am giving you reference. Go through this captain, they will take you. No, Anglo-Eastern is not providing this type of details and this type of admission. So don't do this type of steps. Okay. Has Anglo-Eastern visited to your school, college for career guidance presentation? For some big schools like in Mumbai and in Delhi, Anglo-Eastern is visiting school to school or college to college and giving presentation. Yeah, we having shipping companies and everything. If you want to join us, go through this, go through that. So if they have came, you can click on yes. If no, means no. And at last you have to click on click here button that I am confirming, yeah, everything I have filled correct, I have filled this, I have filled that, everything you have to click. So asterisk button means every time I am telling asterisk. So asterisk button means required fields cannot be blank. So as I already told you, if asterisk marks is not given, leave it. If you want to fill, you can fill, and if not given, if given, so you need to fill anyway. You have to find your data and you have to fill it. So click on submit button. After submitting it, the one form will come. There you have to pay money through banking details. So this much for this video. Okay, I hope you got everything in details through this video, how to fill the form. If you want to know more about other colleges also like Great Eastern, Seven Islands, so be with this series. In this section only, after this video it is mentioned. So go through that and fill the form carefully. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.